All right, so welcome back to my channel. If you haven't already subscribed, I'm gonna be starting a new tech series called Gotta Have It. And it's just gonna be me reviewing the top bestsellers on Amazon, and I'm starting off small. Today isn't a per se tech product. It's the #1 sold screen protector on Amazon called, I'm gonna probably butcher this as usual, Ailun. It's a glass screen protector. I typically don't use screen protectors because I like the quality of my screen, and I think screen protectors kind of make it look a little bit blurry or wash out the colors, but I'm curious to know why this is the #1 sold cell phone accessory. But yeah, I'm gonna see if you guys gotta have it. And I just realized it said, please handle with care, fragile. But yeah, I'm going to do an applying and I guess my impression and review on it. So let's get into it. All right, so here we are with the product itself. It's pretty thin, but I'm just gonna go ahead and start cutting it with my little baby knife. There's one right here. Kids, please do not try this at home. And whenever I heard that, I went ahead and tried it at home anyway. I remember I set a roll of paper towels on fire at home and I was freaking out like crazy. All right, so I guess these are wet wipes. Oh snap, this is next level. So it looks like we have wet wipes, some stickers to take off on the, gotta focus. Some stickers to take off the dust that might come on your screen when you're trying to, what's it called? Make sure that it's dust free. And am I not happy? Yeah, we're gonna leave that out of the way. So first I'm going to wipe it down with wet wipes to remove any dirt. Ah! What is your problem? My goodness. Can we get some frustration free on packaging? Wow, that is one wet phone. Ooh. What's next? This better not be hard. All right, that's much easier than the last one. Ooh, ooh, looking clean, if I say so myself. More than likely why I don't use screen protectors anymore, because I don't like doing this. Oh snap, it's stuck to my screen. Please help me. All right, we're good. All right, I think that's good. All right, I already read the instructions on what to do. So what you want to do is take this out and you want to peel off this back part right here. And the side you peeled off on, this is the sticky side. This side is going to go down on your phone. And what I recommend is turning on your phone so you can see the outline of the notch at the top. So I actually find it easier to be doing it the long way instead of horizontal. I mean vertical, my bad. And then they say just touch the center to apply the force, and then the screen protector will apply itself, as you can see. And then you can push away towards the side to get any bubbles out. And there it is. So I can still use my flashlight, bust open the camera. What's up, YouTube? Whoa, look, some of my hair. We gotta fix that. You know, I might actually rock this. Okay, this is why this is the #1 screen protector. Glass screen protectors look so good. I mean, you can kind of tell at the top that it's on, but in terms of quality, it looks the same, if I'm gonna be honest with you. Oh, you guys don't need to see the apps that I'm using. Yeah, let's all go to the movies. But I honestly can't even tell the glass screen protector is on. Yeah, so in my honest opinion, I would say for how cheap this was, I think it was like $5.99. I would say go ahead and get the screen protector because for one, it protects your screen. Two, it was really easy to apply. I mean, I think you can skip off on the dust absorber if you wanted to. You didn't have to do that. I think with the wet wipe and the dry wipe, you should be fine. But the application was super simple. My screen still looks the same as if there was no screen protector. I haven't used this outside, but I think it almost has no glare to it at all. So if you're wary about getting scratches on your screen, I mean, mine already has scratches, but they're barely noticeable. I would say get this because it comes with 3 actually. Here's a little trial run, but I still have 1 backup. And they have this for the iPhone, basically all the iPhones. I'll have them down in the link description below. I think they're for the Galaxy phones as well. If I find them, I will also link those down below for you guys to check them out. And I would say, yeah, honestly, you gotta have it. I'll be keeping this on my phone because it's protecting my screen and it looks really nice as well. And yeah, that's gonna be it for me today. I'm going to be reviewing another tech product, an actual tech product coming up. And I'll let you guys know my opinion on that and catch you guys in the next one. Much love. Peace. Knowing is not enough. We need to apply. Bruce Lee. That's my quote of the day.